Okay, so you throw in a couple scoops of mud. And then you have a guy hold up this to guard up your face. Hey, it could be a little looser. All right. So, a little bit looser. Un poquito más agua. There's a big difference between there's a really big difference between stiff mud and loose mud when you're using the mortar sprayer. So you want to get it a little looser than what you would if you were hand bombing it. Okay? Looks better. Okay. Big difference, right? What you're looking for is Tootsie Rolls, okay? If you get Tootsie Rolls coming out, you're good. If it runs out, it's not good. You could fill the voids.
As you go then, or?
Yeah, if you just once I shoot it once and I can spot check those just real quick. But it really only requires about a 1/2 inch of material. Anything over a 1/2 inch is complete overkill because this stuff is really gnarly. You don't need a lot of it. Truth be told, you probably wouldn't even have to fill the holes if you didn't want to. Your second layer of mud's going to fill it too, just so you know. Meaning the structure is not compromised because you have spaces in your vertical wall.
So this isn't like some of the other mixes where if you go too thin or too thick, it can weaken it?
No. This particular mix it's the super glue of the industry, basically. It's very, very gnarly stuff, very heavy duty. I was working on a project and some of it was dripping on the floor and it built up about 1.5 inches thick. I was wailing on it with a big hammer and I ended up giving up and getting a partner saw to cut it out because it was pretty bad. I mean, it was amazingly strong. So it doesn't take a lot. Thank you. All right. Yeah, this is the stuff that I carved the big spinning rock out of. So you can see it's pretty gnarly. But you could still do stuff with it if you wanted to. It just takes a little different technique. All right. Does anyone have any questions regarding stripping this down, dealing with joints that are, need to be addressed, scratch coating it, protecting your edges? I think we did a pretty good job protecting it. We could always just do a once over to make sure that we didn't splatter anything up on our work. I can see it now. Yeah, right. Oh, not even wet. You could just use a regular brush. No. Here. Not that one. Something a little stiffer. But that's a good eye. As long as you get on it pretty quick, you're good. Yes, sir.